Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I am unboxing the deluxe size Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. I'm not even going to do my intro, you guys. I'm not going to waste any time. We are going to open this box up right now and we are going to see exactly what's inside. Before we get started today, guys, if you could please hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, turn the notification bell on. That way you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. Alright guys, this is the deluxe version. It's the medium size box. He had a smaller box that was $40. The deluxe box, which was $75. The Supreme mystery box was $160. One I have right here, the deluxe box, does come with 8 items, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Do you guys know how hard it was for me to not click on other, like when the videos start being uploaded, when everyone starts receiving their boxes, I know that the videos are out there. It is so hard for me not to look, but I thought I genuinely just want to be surprised and open this up and have no clue what's inside. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the very first item here is a t-shirt. I got mine in the size large. You are able to select the size that you want at checkout. It's a Halloween Can't Relate t-shirt with the bone fingers there. This is so adorable. I love this so much. Wow, look at the detail. He even did the fingernails with cobwebs and a spider. Can you guys see that? That is so cool. Okay, this is really cute. And I'm just gonna throw prices up on the screen as I'm editing this video, guys. So just be on the lookout. I will include prices and then at the end I'll include a total value. Next we have a liquid frost. Mine came in the shade Heat Wave. I'm gonna open this up because I'm not familiar with this shade. Ooh. Okay, I already know this will be too dark for me. That's okay. I'll try to find something else to use it for. But I definitely will not be able to use this as a highlight on my face. You can see it is definitely warm. It's like a bronze coppery shade. It's really beautiful. But I'm not going to open this to swatch for you guys because maybe I will include it in a future giveaway. So far, I got the t-shirt and a liquid frost. Oh, this must be... Ooh, okay, this is the third item. It is a skin frost. It is a mystery frost shade, so let's open it up. I have no idea what color this is going to be. Please be something I can wear. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know, you guys. We're gonna have to swatch this. Ooh, okay, Jeffree. I love that he did a mystery skin frost shade. And you really have no idea what the color is gonna be until you open it up. Super cool idea, you guys. I love that he put a mystery skin frost in here. Love that. So I have 5 more items to go. The next is a lip ammunition. Mine came in the shade Jawbreaker. Let's open it up. Ooh, that shade is gorgeous. Let's swatch it because I think I'm gonna keep this. Oh, so it's almost, well, it's not quite a lip topper. It definitely has some pigment in it, but wow, that's gorgeous. That is so cool. I love that. Next, I have one of his glosses. This is called The Gloss. It's in the shade Diet Freeze. We have to put this on. Let's put this on. Honestly, you guys, I have not tried any of Jeffree Star's glosses, believe it or not. So this is my first time trying it. It smells really good. It smells vanilla-y. The consistency is great. It glides right on. It's very lightweight, not sticky at all. What do you guys think of the color? It's interesting. I like it. It's fun. It's Jeffree. I do like it. Okay, next I have a velour liquid lipstick. So he gave me one of each. A lip ammunition, a gloss, and now a velour liquid lip. Mine came in the shade Bronze Blood. The color is gorgeous. Don't know how often I'll wear it, but it is really pretty. There it is. Very reflective. Love that. Okay guys, we're getting down to the last 2. I already know what this is. I can tell by the shape of the box because I already have one in my collection. This is one of the Jeffree Star hand mirrors. Let's see what it is exactly. Okay, I got the orange one. It's really pretty. I love Jeffree's mirrors, you guys. Honestly, I have a chartreuse color one from his Jawbreaker collection, and I use it all the time when I'm doing my makeup and I'm not in front of a mirror. I love to use this. It's like, I know it sounds kind of lame me saying this, but it's like, it's not too heavy. The handle is the perfect size for me, and it just makes the application so much easier versus like if you have an eyeshadow palette that has a mirror on the back and you're trying to hold that up, or even like a little pocket compact mirror. This is what you want to definitely reach for. It's just the best possible option, I think, as a mirror. Okay guys, last item in the box. It does appear to possibly be an eyeshadow palette, a mini palette. A mini breaker, you guys. This is from his summer Jawbreaker collection. Has he put eyeshadow palettes in his mystery boxes before? I don't think he has, but here it is, the mini breaker. This is awesome because, guys, I have the Jawbreaker collection on my eyes right now. I am wearing the shades Bubblegum, Good Morning, and I have the shade Snack on the inner corner. Stop it. But I never picked up any of the mini breaker. Pretty. It's a really pretty palette, you guys. Alright everyone, I hope that you enjoyed my unboxing. I am so happy with all of the items that I got. I really think Jeffree stepped it up for this Halloween themed mystery box launch. He put exclusive items in here that were curated just for this box, so I thought that that was a really cool touch. I definitely feel like it was worth the price that I paid. I'm gonna leave the total value of the box right here. I have my Can't Relate tee on for you guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Please leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys got any of his boxes and the items you got. Did you get anything similar to me? Let me know down below, and also before you go, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.